Hey guys, what's up?
Welcome, people.
Yeah, man, welcome back to the Delprat family, Now, today we are, bringing you some good news. We did a video recently talking about the issues we've been having with the Google AdSense, the pin that we should have received, how long and we not get it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we finally received it in the mail.
Yay!
Yeah, man, but holy pajama.
People.
Yeah, man, finally get it. We'll explain all of the issues why it took so long. Right? Actually, two of them we get. Two of them.
Can you imagine?
You see me I say? We've actually got two of them.
It's been a struggle, people. It's been a struggle. It's been a real struggle. Right? But we're kind of glad we get it still. After the storm, you're always glad to say you get through it.
Yeah, man.
So we're happy so we finally get it.
Right.
But we want to include you guys in on what happened, because sometimes probably you guys probably having the same experience that we're having.
Yep.
Where you didn't get your envelope and you're like, what am I doing wrong? Because we were saying, what were we doing wrong?
Yeah.
Because our address is correct.
Me start a question myself, actually, because we actually moved recently. So we all wonder if we put, what do you call it, the town correctly. We don't want to get too specific, but we don't want the town there correctly, because if we put one particular thing, it will end up in our next place. So we are back between different post office, but that wasn't the problem. We were doing everything good.
Post office, because we checked our address. The address correct. I see the address correct, right? But we said probably there was a mistake or a mix-up, and then put it on different post office.
Yeah.
So we were basically checking both post office to see what's going on. By the end of the day, guess what happened?
Yeah.
What happened, babe? We party today.
Alright, so it actually was alright. So let me explain. We got accepted for the partner program from May. Late May, right? So we were on YouTube we start YouTube about March.
Yeah.
We reached a subscriber milestone May. So March, April, May. So 2 months it took us to get to the subscriber milestone. 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. We
are up, guys. Yeah. Thank you for your support.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Right, so we actually reached the what you call it now, the watch hours. We reached the watch hours before the subscribers actually, because we had a couple of videos that were doing really well, so we got a lot of views. So we just need wait a little longer to get the 1,000. But anyway, we got to the 1,000 subscribers. We immediately we sign up with Google AdSense and put in the address and everything, and then mail out the pin, quote unquote. Right? So they are patiently waiting. Ads were running on the channel. So we have to say everything good. Even if the pin now come right now, we don't have to worry.
I already know say it did take a little while. So, and like I said, we did think that it would just appear like that.
Yeah.
We knew from other person's experience that this could take a while to reach us in Jamaica.
Right.
So we were being patient.
Right.
But then we're patient kind of starts.
Yeah, man. Because guess what, guys? So after 4 months, let me tell you, so we're now to rush the thing, because we have to be patient. So after 4 months, boom, ad stop run on the channel. So you guys can refer to the video. On which side? Other side there? Yeah. The info card. You guys can refer to the info card for the previous video that we spoke about the ads stopping on the channel. So YouTube have a policy where after 4 months of you not verifying your channel, ads will stop being run on your videos. So imagine you as a YouTuber, right? The main source of income would be via ad revenue, and no ads being run on the channel. So basically, even though we want to please our audience, and things, so we still put out the video them, but nonetheless, there were no ads being run. So we really feel a way about it,
So we're still producing our content, but then it's still kind of daunting, because we're like, why wouldn't, because other persons, even in this community that we're living in, other persons are actually getting their packages. So then it sort of become weird. Because we're like, how come them I get and we not get?
Yeah.
Something weird. And then we go back and we check the address again, and we ask for several pins to be sent at this point.
Because we have to Two more out there somewhere, probably they're on them way.
I mean, because we're like, what the hell is going on, right? So it was kind of daunting for us because we were like, what happened to we? What are we doing wrong? Because if they are in the same community and we are in the same community and they're getting their packages, why we now get our own? And then we even get other packages from other people, and we're like, well, at the same address we are used, and the packages are reaching us, so why aren't we getting this particular package? And we push them and send it.
Right, so go to the post office, see other people pin. I tell you, because like the shelf is like right there. And we know what the envelope look like. So when you look on the shelf, you can see say why other people pin a come. So why other people pin a come and our one can't reach. Even though we can't see the name or whatever, but the shelf is like probably 10 feet away from the counter, so you can literally see the logo. So you know say a pin or whatever. So I say, oh, this is strange. Check, you know, my name. Me tell them my name and things. So I said, just check. No, them can't. Them not see it. I don't know how I go on till
a couple months later.
Yeah. So boom, now fast forward now to November.
Yeah,
so,
we're in like mid-November now, people.
Go there back now. Check one more time for the lady. Tell us that. They actually sent it as a Delprat family vlog, because that was the name of the channel at one, but the first name. We tweak the name a little bit. So YouTube sent it as, I should say Google sent it as Delprat family vlog. So then put it in at the post office in a way called miscellaneous. Meaning like company name or whatever. But I'm saying, I come to you every day and I tell them my name, Adrian Delprat. Oh God, man.
And then wait now, and I'm glad to know. But we actually told them exactly what we're coming for.
Yes.
So we say we're coming for this. It looks exactly like that.
Yes.
It's a YouTube channel. It's called the Delprat Family Vlogs. So we're giving information.
Everything. And them get the something.
And in a month we are getting the same information. And Delprat, the name Delprat is not very common.
Exactly.
So if you see one Delprat over there, so one Delprat over there, and them people here come every single day, like 2 times a week, come look in your face. You know?
Yeah, so somehow I don't know what kind of eureka thing go on, some light bulb moment or something. Them say no, probably them say I could check the company. So they say them see the Delprat family vlog and put it in the company section. So guys, it actually reached from August to, right? So May, June, July, August, 3 months it actually took to arrive. Less than, you call it 3 months. It took to arrive. So you see, it did it from August 20, stamp. And them no know say it did it. I don't really try to bash the post office still because, you know, whatever. But that's the reality we are talking. So it did it how long put on in a one different part of them never ever realize.
When you're going, like this is an experience, right? When you're going, even if they say I can't find it, you know, ask them to just do a little diligent look in the miscellaneous files, in the company files, in different sections, because you never know what will happen. You know, you never know where it might be misplaced. Because I've been saying it to agent, I've been saying, but this sounds like probably it's just continuously being misplaced in a particular place. Like one person keep on a pack this up, and then that person keep on a pack it in this particular place, and then it is kind of, you know? Yeah.
So I mean, so basically we were without ad revenue for 2 months. So YouTube shut to you from, when was that? September. October, November, so 2 months.
The next thing that we noticed that was very significant, the viewership on our videos went down when the monetization came off.
True.
So it's like our videos weren't being pushed anymore. So that's also another thing that you need to look out for. So like if you them not make money, then probably not gonna push your video as much. Yeah. You know? Because honestly, since we got demonetized for this reason, the viewership went down. The views. What do you call it, babe?
The impressions.
Impressions. So the impressions actually went down on our channel for each video that we produced.
Yeah. So impressions are how often YouTube put your video on somebody's timeline. So,
right?
So every time a video appears on somebody's timeline, that's like an impression. Yeah, so
and that directly affects your viewership.
So we don't know if maybe because of that or whatever. We're just saying.
Yeah, that's what we saw.
Yeah. So guys, we are now we're fully verified and everything, right? Because of that, we even kind of slow down with some upload of some videos and stuff like that, because at the end of the day, you know, as much as, you know, we do
our content is just not reaching as far as it used to.
Yeah.
And we're trying to see if we could get this back going so that our content can go back out as far, you know, and can get back the reach that it was or the traction that it had.
Yeah.
Before we put out certain details. And we realize it does not appear on some people's timeline, and some people saying like, yo,
they don't see it, yeah.
You know, I've been waiting for y'all, why we're not seeing, you know. But I guess that could be contributed to the reduction in the what you call it again, babe?
Impressions. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so we have it, right?
And 2 more on the way.
Yeah, 2 more up on the way. I never even open that one here to see if the pin, most likely the pin are the same, but I'm gonna just do a little check now, because me read where YouTube say anyone you receive first, it doesn't matter. Because to be honest, guys, one of the reasons why I never resend the pin, because me I say, you know, like when you have verify WhatsApp or them other apps, if you resend a code, the first code that was sent won't work. So me did that thing say, boy, you know, maybe one code, me sending for another code, I gotta render the first one useless. So that's why me did a be patient.
And then some people in Jamaica at the time where it was taking 3 months for them to get there. So
yeah, so the pin actually are the same. They actually are the same. So the same exact pin. So guys, after them say normal after 3 weeks you can resend, ask back for another pin. You can ask back for it, it don't really matter because the codes are the same. The codes are the same exact pin. So
if you check your address and everything fine, if you're getting packages with the same address that you're sending out, ask them to do a double check of the miscellaneous areas or the other areas in the that they can pack away packages in the post office, because probably it might be one little nook and cranny like ours. You know?
Yes. But we get it. You know? Give thanks, and thanks for all the love and support. Big up for all the persons who've been coming to us, you know, seeing us around, and you know, it's really a joy, you know. We really appreciate you guys. Big time.
Yeah, like the other day I went to Mobe and I saw a lot of persons in Mobe were saying like, yo, we actually watch your videos, we really like it. But Adrian them like, Adrian, can I go on this, you know? but we are really happy to see persons who are actually viewing our content and enjoying it. So we're gonna see what people say hi.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
There's a particular couple that we woke up in our store recently. They came from Florida. Them fly in to purchase a particular property. Right, and they were so happy to see us. So actually the White House Beach Club then come for purchase because of our video, you know, and they were so happy to see us, and you know, very grateful and whatever. And you know, guys, so yeah, I mean, we are happy that we are, you know,
we are reaching out there, and you know what we're really happy for. I'm really happy for the impact that we've made, and that persons who see us can say, yo, you know, I really learned something from you guys. Because at the end of the day, we want to be informative. We want to be able to help somebody.
Yes.
That's kind of what we want. We want to be about. So it's not just entertainment, right? But you
can learn something. You know, you can take something away. Yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. You know, thanks for being a part of our journey. Alright.
So guys, remember to give us a thumbs up if you do like our content.
Yes.
Click the notification bell, because that will certainly ensure that every single time we put out a video, you know.
Yes.
Alright? And remember to give us to click that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Alright?
Yeah, guys. Thank you. Stay tuned, alright? Peace out.
Bye.